Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change app icons on iPhone. Customize your home screen. The trend of customizing your home screen has become ever more popular on iOS, and some users are choosing to add custom app icons to their home screen using Shortcuts app in iOS 14 and later. Shortcuts can be a complex app to use, as it allows users to create multi-step processes to run on their device. But in this instance, the shortcuts only involves one basic component. First, launch Shortcuts app on your iPhone or iPad. Then, tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap Add Action. Then use the text field to search for Open Up. Select Open Up, then tap Up. Use the search field to find the app you want to change the icon of, then select it in the list. Tap the down-facing chevron on the tab next to Open Up. Then tap Add to Home Screen. Tap the placeholder app icon. Then from the drop-down menu, select Take Photo, choose Photo, or choose File, depending on where your replacement app icon image is located. And select your replacement image. In the text field, rename the app as you want it to appear on the home screen. Then tap Add. After that, tap Done. Your shortcut has now been created. And return to the home screen. If you already had the app on your home screen, you will now have two icons. In order to keep only on your newly created icon, simply move the old icon on the app library. You must not delete the original app. Since this process can be quite time-consuming, especially when it includes finding or making custom icons, you will likely not want to do it for every app. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.